Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have some incredibly exciting news for you. What if I told you you can get Perplexity Pro, one of the most powerful AI tools out there, completely free for 1 whole year? You heard that right. PayPal is running a special promotion, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to claim this amazing offer. Before we start the video, let me quickly show you the amazing benefits of the Perplexity Pro plan. As you can see here, I'm on the Pro plan. Which means I can use all the latest and greatest premium models like Claude 4, GPT-5, Grok 4, and many more. Now, let's see how you can claim this offer. Let's get right into it. Step 1 is super simple. All you need to do is go to the description box of this video and click the special link I've shared. Once you click the link, it will take you directly to the offer page. It clearly says 12 months of Perplexity Pro on us. To get started, go ahead and click the blue Claim Offer button. Next, you'll be prompted to log in and connect your PayPal account. This is perfectly safe and is just to verify the offer. Go ahead and enter your PayPal email and password. For security, PayPal will likely send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Just grab that code and type it in to proceed. Now, here's an important step. If you don't have a credit or debit card linked to your PayPal account, it will ask you to add one. This is standard for free trials to set up for future billing, but don't worry, you won't be charged anything today. Important note, this is a free trial for 1 year. To avoid being charged after the year is over, you must cancel the subscription in your PayPal account before the 12 months are up. I recommend setting in a reminder on your phone right away. Because I don't have an active card to add at this moment, I can't show you the final confirmation screen. However, once you've added your card details, you just need to follow the final prompts and your free year of Perplexity Pro will be activated. And that's it. It's a very straightforward process. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, or for a faster response, join our Telegram channel. The link for that is also in the description. I really hope this helps you get your hands on this fantastic tool for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deals and tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and keep enjoying.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.